I'm actually pretty impressed on how long I'm lasting with just the solar panel. It's pulling in at 116 watts, 45 going out. So that's with the fridge running, and then Starlink is running as well. So I was just up there. I realized that that's a trailhead, and I kind of didn't want to be in front of a trailhead while people are going hiking and stuff. So I moved down here, which in a way is a little better. I mean, if you're talking about secluded, this is probably as secluded as it'll get. But yeah, anyways, going to make some food. When people think you have a freezer, first thing that comes to mind is ice cream. For me, it's like frozen meatballs and dumplings. I do like ice cream though, but that's the first thing that comes to my mind. Speaking of frozen meatballs, this is going in the noodles. And if you guys are curious on what I'm making, it's a Thai dish called boat noodles. Clouds are rolling in, it's starting to get colder. It's perfect time for noodles. Living on the road, this is just so much easier to use. It's basically, well, it is exactly what it is. It's just powder to flavor the broth. So gonna do that, toss all of these in, and then I have a bunch of noodles that I'm gonna toss in as well. Okay, so it is a Friday night. I think I'm gonna stay here just for tonight and then head out. I believe I got asked this before, but why would I carry the tent ladder when I have a hatch ladder? There is really no good reason. Honestly, it's just preference. If I'm at a location for a long time, I'll use the hatch ladder because it's easier to get in and out. But if I'm just staying for like one night, I'll just use the hatch ladder. It's a good question though. Alright, so it is currently sunrise. It's about 6:20 right now. I'm gonna slowly pack up and then head out of here. I'm gonna head into town and probably refill up on some water. Gear, I ran out of propane. Surprisingly, my EcoFlow is still alive. Great spot to go camping, especially being so close to Denver. Okay, so just got into town. I'm gonna head down to Colorado Springs. I'm gonna check out a place called the Garden of Gods. It's been on my list for a while, so it's great to check things off the list. But anyways, I'll see you guys there. So I'm currently going up Mount Herman Road, I believe that's what it's called. It's one of the few places that I can find with a lot of dispersed camping, and I'm just outside of Colorado Springs. So, but yeah, I'm gonna see what I can find up here, and I think this is gonna be camp for tonight. This is one of the coolest spots I've ever camped at or going to camp at, but I don't think I've ever seen rock formations like this in the middle of the forest. This is gonna be camp for tonight. I'm up here on this little hill. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, so obviously I'm not in the same spot. I actually moved down the road just slightly a little bit because the spot I was in was a little crowded. There was a lot of people rolling in and out, so this would be camp for tonight. It is the next morning. I just packed up everything. I'm gonna have to head out of the spot to go grab some water, and then I think I have to be fairly close to the city to pick up a package in Colorado Springs, and then afterwards I'm gonna head back up to Denver. So I'll see you guys there. So when it comes to picking up packages on the road, specifically for Amazon, because I talked about this with FedEx, but you can have them shipped to a locker and then you can go and pick it up from the locker. So I ordered a couple of things from Amazon, and so I'm gonna go pick it up right now. All right, so just refilled up on water, picked up my package, went back to roughly the same spot, but it was taken, so I just went down the street, found another spot. So I guess one of the cool things about where I'm at is that along this road is a bunch of pull-out areas such as this where you can camp at. Then I'm gonna stay here for the night and then head up to Denver tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys there. Normally I would try to come up with these crazy dishes, but I think for today I'm just gonna keep it simple and make a hamburger. And I haven't had a good burger in quite some time, so I'm gonna do that. So it's a lot saltier than I like, but the bun's really good. Bacon's good. So I'm at HEST, gotta grab some stuff, grab some souvenirs for some friends and family. After this, I'm gonna head out back to Utah, and then we'll go from there. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I always appreciate you guys watching. All right, take care, guys.